Fernando, is an island off the coast of North Carolina called Oak Island. Oak is in the tree, and I have never worked you before. I'm a little surprised at that because there are so many hams from Canary Islands, and it's always a pleasure to meet all of you. Fernando, go ahead.
Roger, QSL. I am very glad with such activity from the Canary Islands. Many years ago, I was just the only one or a few hams operating from EA8, and now we have a lot of them. So Bob, okay, you're QTH on the island of Oak Island in North Carolina. Thank you very much for my report. I am using a Tecsun FT1000 Mark V, driving an Alpha 87A linear to a 4-element monoband Yagi. The microphone is a Hale microphone. ND20 in North Carolina from EA8AK on the Canary Islands.
Very good, Fernando. EA8AK ND20. Very good, and your equipment sounds very, very good here. You are now 20 dB over 9, 20 dB over 9, so the band must be coming in, which is very good. I'm running a Kenwood 590 to an Elecraft 500 watt amplifier, doing right around 500 watts now, maybe a little bit less. My antenna, though, Fernando, is just a vertical. The building lots on the island here are very, very small, and no place for a beam, no place for a tower, but we're on salt water. We are on salt water, and the island is just sand. So the salt water is all in the sand, and it makes a very, very good ground. So even the small radial system that I have works very well, and that's the story. We are having a nice sunny day here today. Very surprising because we have had rain for 4 days now straight, and it's going to rain again for another 4 days straight. So we don't know. But right now it's sun and 23 degrees centigrade and Celsius, and I think my wife and I will be going out for a bicycle ride, maybe walk the beach real soon. Well, Fernando, thank you. I do hear a few more people calling you, so I'll let you go. Nice to meet you again. Or nice to meet you for the first time, rather. And I read your QRZ page and all of your awards and recognition. Very, very good, Fernando. Very, very good. Glad I met you. 73 is a good DX. EA8AK ND20.
Hi, this is Bob. ND20 in North Carolina from EA8 Alpha Kilo.